This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about mini milk jars, specifically these nostalgic milk and yogurt glasses that come with reusable plastic lids. There are two sizes, the 4 ounce, which is 2¼ inches in diameter and 3 inches high, and the 5 ounce, which is 2½ inches in diameter and 3¼ inches high. And they all come with their own little lid, which is easy to snap on and off. And since these are reusable, both pieces can be washed and you can use those lids over and over again. These are great for serving yogurt, custard, mini milkshakes, parfaits, puddings, or doing nice little catering setups like cookies and milk. They're great for packing up snacks, using to make things like candy favors, or to do things like an adorable little service of things like jam, butter, and honey for maybe room service or an afternoon tea. They feature this amazing little nostalgic look to them, like they just got delivered by the most adorable milkman ever. And the jars can be washed and reused, which is fantastic. They're great for restaurants and cafes, party planners, if you own a B&B and you're looking for some adorable little things to use at your breakfast service, or boutique hotels for room service, or just for use at home if you're looking for something adorable to make your yogurt in.